It's the day where I renovate and decorate my kitchen. It is all happening in this video, from breakdown of cupboards to breaking down of the floors to setting it up and making it look chic. Welcome to Catalog Home. I am Darcikin. If you haven't yet hit that subscription button, if you have a friend who loves interior decor, who loves renovation, who loves to be glam, chic and elegant, this is a platform where they're going to enjoy how to DIY their own space. So let's get cracking. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Darcikin. This is Catalog Home, where you get to see inside of my small home. This platform is all about home interior decor, decluttering, organizing, everything that has to do with the home to make it look chic, elegant, and give it that comfy feeling that you're actually looking for. Whether you're in a tiny small apartment to a very large home, trust me, I think some of what I will be doing with this small apartment will kind of, entice you and inspire you to do different things at home. Again, it is all about decluttering, showing you guys how I organize my tiny space to make it look elegant. Whether you're going for a farmhouse feel, mid-century, rustic, vintage look, I think I have a bit of each in my tiny apartment. Today it's all about the kitchen. I am organizing the kitchen. On my other channel I have showed you like my pantry, but now I have reorganized everything and I've decided to separate those two platforms. I'm taking you behind the scenes of how I reorganized my kitchen, made it look a bit like larger. Remember, this is a very tiny kitchen, but the way I've organized it, it makes it look like this is an actual home that I'm living in. So we're organizing it, we're setting it up. It's the holidays, we're selling the holidays, and let's just get into this kitchen. So first off, we're starting off with my kitchen cupboards. So I did have some gentlemen came in, they redid my cupboards for me, gave it that nice feel. Like, look at before, this was my kitchen, it was horrible. So this video is going to be quite lengthy. I'm going to take you behind the scenes of they renovating my cupboards. Then we went on to do the floor. I wanted the floor tiles to change. I have been in this apartment for so long and I'm trying to save money to get my own place. It was approaching the holidays. I was like, something, I do not want to be living in such a mess. So I upgraded. I decided to just change everything. So we changed the floor. Those guys came in, got a machine, drilled it up. Let me just show you a clip of what the work that was being done. And now we're back. So the tiling right now looks amazing. I'm not too a fan of the color. Like, it does look like some dirty oatmeal water or something like that. I was looking for more of like, like a darker shade because I have this kind of eggshell walls right now. But well, when someone is doing something for you for free, you just don't complain about what they're giving you. Anyhow, I love the way my cupboards are looking, my floor is looking. This table, I actually got it off at IKEA. I mounted it up myself. And the good thing about it, it has the two sides where you could put the two chairs, because I have my son. I want to make sure that he has table manners, so I'm teaching him how to eat on the table. And it has a storage unit at the front, which is pretty good. It's a small kitchen. If I have a lot of baking sheets, I would just put them under there. Or if I have like my products for my vegan, my vegan skincare products and my cooking or baking, I would just store them over there. So it's pretty a good size. As you can see, the curtains that I'm using in the kitchen, this is a very large window, so I decided to go for this neutral look. I've got a share at the back and the ivory because I love when an apartment, like this is a tiny apartment, I did not want it to look too dark because what I feel, the dark feeling made it look a bit too small. Now I will show you my bedroom, how I made my bedroom look dark with a little bit of light. You will see the feeling that the bedroom has in comparison to the kitchen. I wanted more light in the kitchen, so this is why I have these curtains. Now we are going to decorate the kitchen table. It's the holidays. I'm going to show you how I created my kitchen riff. I'm just going to speed through that, set up the table, and then organize my new pantry area and show you the completed kitchen. I do have a new fridge, a new stove. The space is small, but guess what? It is so spacious right now. And I'm so glad that on my other platform, I'm able to take you in my kitchen and cook with you, make all my vegan juices, my vegan skincare products, body care products. Again, it's all about taking care of the inside and outside. So this is Catalog Home. I am so happy you're joining me. I'm going to take a tour and show you the completed look. So let's get to completing everything. So it's messy right now. We're organizing everything. And welcome to my kitchen decor. Now they're done. I've got this COVID spray. I'm gonna disinfect and everything. Just spray everything, wipe it down, because you know they came and do it for me. So I'm so excited. Gotta spray everything. COVID spray, COVID. Even my doorknob. COVID spray. COVID spray. Rid of all the space we have there. You can see this whole. So this is here, the front here. I put zine book. This is the before. So these are my cushions for my kitchen chairs, and you could see how beautiful they are. It is like you know, like volcano eruption kind of vibes going on there. I have the hint of gold, I have the gray tone, and the ivory. This one is from City Chic. It's a set of 2 chair pads, and this is definitely what I think will really accent my chairs beautifully. You could see the color. It is so beautiful. Like, look at the accent, the gold sparks. I think it blends really good. I decided to pair it with a table runner that is neutral with just some snowflakes with the same gray tones in the center. So it's ivory. I wanted it plain. I did get a gray runner before, but I did not really like too much of the gray. I love the fact that this will look really good on my table, because my table it's all wood, like wood color, and I think these two will really coordinate really good. As you can see, let me know what you think about them. I'm pairing these two up. You can see the snowflake does match the sit. That's why you don't want too much drama, you just want a hint of it. The sit is already like artistically designed, so we don't want the runner to be very busy, because again, I will be putting a flower pot on this. Not sure if I will be setting my table, but let's continue setting the table with these. Okay, so I'm just going to open these chair pads are very nice. It is so very nice. And I love to read my washing instructions. So it says it's 100% cotton. With me, you could just pull this out right here, very easy. This one you could leave it on. Let me see. I don't think you could pull this one out. I would have to cut this one out because I don't want to rip it. Let's just pull this. I just saw these and I fell in love with it. Look at this. Look at the hint of gold. The ivory and gray. This is beautiful. This is going on my chair right now. Like, I want to set up this area, make sure everything looks good. Just setting up the kitchen area, right? Everything looks good. So I've got my quinoa here. I love my ginseng plant. So it's just about placing it right here. Got my chickpea. Just organizing, making sure everything looks well coordinated, well, you know, very nice, you know. Cereal. Okay, bottom shelf. We are going to do the bottom shelf. Just finish up my top shelf. The smaller jars at the top. The top looks like it took everything really well. Now I'm going to organize the bottom and then continue the kitchen. Now this is the table. It has this nice, you can see this. Again, bringing more light into the kitchen. So we're just going to place this is table runner here. This is actually the table I usually use for filming. So yeah. And what I'm going to place on this, I do have my vase, my Pampas Grass vase. If you guys don't notice yet, this Pampas Grass vase, I showed you guys how to do that already in another video. So this is going to go into the center of my table, right? Hopefully you guys could see that in the center of my table. I didn't want to set the table with plates, spoons, anything of that, so I didn't want a lot of stuff on it because in the morning I want to make sure take this out if I want to create a video for my other YouTube channel, Darcy Apple. This is where I'm sharing more vegan cooking, so in the morning just want to wake up and share something with you. I do have a plant. I'm not sure if I want to put this plant on the table, but it's a beautiful plant, ginseng plant. I do love these. So I've got one at the back of me here. I don't know, maybe it might be too much for my table. I'm not sure, but I love plants, so I love plants. I'm not sure if I'm gonna put it on the table. And I do have a little clock. Where is my little clock? I do have a little clock I want to put there as well. I've got a lot of green going on in the kitchen, so I will put this pot, this flower pot someplace else because it's a beautiful flower pot. I have one there, don't want it to be, you know, I'll just leave this plain vase and leave it simple. And yeah. Mommy. Yes, Baba? Mommy, go put clothes on you. You can't come in my video with no underwear on. Yes. No video, no undies. Don't come in my video. Alright, so we are going to continue this. Let's get a plant. I'm going to get one of this plant and put it in the corner over here. So I have this plant in the corner. Let's get this plant. Just gonna keep this one. Let me show you. I'm just gonna put it in the corner right here, right over here. This is where I'm going to put it. Make it look a little bit more earthy looking. I'll organize it a bit better, but then show you guys the completed look. So what I did, I just placed the plant right down here, right? So you enjoyed this video.